A very special first day of school for one third grader in Hillsborough County. Morgan Allen is fighting a rare form of brain cancer, but as ABC Action News reporter Eric Waxler shows us, just being around her fellow students is really just what she needed.
Students line the hallways at McFarland Park Elementary to start a new year.
Oh, great job! They did a great job!
And leading the way is an 8-year-old girl named Morgan.
She's got so much love surrounded by around her. It's beautiful.
Morgan Allen has brain cancer, but she wanted to be here, and her classmates are full of support.
They all love pushing her wheelchair, so we actually created a list.
The return to school means seeing old friends.
Can you give her a hug? She really needs a hug right now. Group hug.
And joining them in Ms. Desmond's third grade class.
Hi guys. How was your summer?
The family has tried experimental treatments and are hopeful the special cap on Morgan's head that zaps tumors with a radio frequency might help. Morgan's mother says they are taking it all day by day.
We may not be able to make every day because she does get tired, but the first day is a very important day for her, and she's excited to be here.
In Tampa, Eric Waxler, ABC Action News.